Hello, parents and guardians. We are here to show you how to schedule an appointment with your student's teacher. So one of the ways is perhaps your student's teacher has sent you an email to schedule an appointment. The email can look like this. And all you have to do is simply click on the link that they've provided. So click on that link and it will bring you to a page to schedule the appointment. You have different options here at the top. Some teachers only have one option. Some teachers may have several. You can be scheduling a parent conference. Maybe there's office hours for the students. Maybe there's tutoring sessions. Lots of different options. Make sure to click on the correct one because you'll notice that there's nothing you can really click on here because we're not sure what it is you're trying to schedule. So select the proper one. So this is for parent conferences. And now you can see there are some that are colored in black, and those tell me that we have some appointments open there. So when I click on it, I could see the times that are available. And if I click on the wrong one, you could see that there's nothing available there. So simply choose one that works for you. Click on a time that works. And then down at the bottom, fill in your information. Now, the phone number and the address are optional, but if you do want to add your phone number, it will even provide you a text. Down here at the bottom, if you want to get a text about your booking, then keep this checked off. And if you don't, you could simply uncheck it and you can just leave that number there in case maybe you wanted to give it to the teacher. But I'm going to keep that checked so that I get a reminder on my text. You can also put a note for the teacher. Maybe you have a question or maybe there's something you're requesting in your appointment. Go ahead and put that here and then your student's teacher will see that. So once you're ready, you go ahead and click on book. And now we wait for it to process. Don't forget to click OK. And now you should receive an email with a confirmation. So right here, I have received an email from the teacher stating that I have set this appointment. And the great thing about this is, if you could see right here, I'm using my Google Calendar and it is allowing me to put the event straight into my calendar so that I don't have to put it in manually. But if you don't do this, don't worry. You already have it set, scheduled with your student's teacher. But if you do want to put it into your calendar, here's something you can do. You can click on yes, and then it just puts it right into your calendar. Okay. And it also gives you the address to get into the call. And if you scroll down, you could also click right here and it will take you straight to that conference on the date of your appointment. But if you notice down here, there's something called manage booking. So if for some reason you decide that you can no longer make this appointment or you need to request a different one, you could simply click on manage booking and it will bring us right here. You can reschedule your appointment. You can cancel it entirely if you can't make it, or you can make a new one if you need to. Let me go ahead and click on reschedule because this is the one that we will use the most. So it brings up the time that we chose before. So now we can choose another date and see whatever time remains. And let's say we want a different one. Then we go down here to the bottom and you could see our information is still here. We simply have to click on update booking. Depending on how your teacher set it up, you may have also received an additional confirmation email, and this simply is just reminding us of the information and also allowing us to access the meeting from here. We hope this was easy to understand. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to your student's teacher and they will help you to book an appointment with them. Thank you so much.